Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, August 11th. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible trades in the NQ and 1 in the ES. And I'm going to run through all the trades here. We had no losing trades today. Some didn't go that far because it was kind of chop, 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 chop here. And then it did finally go up. We were waiting till later in the morning. And I'll explain everything and go through everything here from left to right. First trade we had was in the pre-market, right before the market opened. We had a short, a death candle trade around 58.02 quarter or so. 58.02 quarter. Told everybody that this thing was either going to get negative right away, or if they held it positive, they would take it up. So this was a test to see. That trade did make over 10 points or 40 ticks, over 10 points or 40 ticks. And that was a nice trade to start off the morning before we got going. The market did come back up, come back down, held positive, went up as we thought, did have upside targets first here, then there, and then had some higher ones as well, but it never really got there. So we did get along on an S play. An S play that was around 58.1675 or so, 58.1650, and again that trade made almost 10 points, about 9 points, 8-9 points there. For those who got stopped out, once we go up here, we go to entry on our trade. If it doesn't follow through right away, tight management. On our any runners that we have, we peel off contracts up here. And that one made about 30 plus ticks. Came back down, came up again. We got long on a power play that was at 58.2675. Told everybody that we tried before here to get short. When this wick came up here, we tried to get short. I called out the trade, and I called out the wrong number. I was trying to get filled right below that line. I called out a number that was right above the line that we didn't get filled. That would have been a beautiful short, but that's okay. We missed that one. But when it came back up here, I told everybody this was going to be a retest to this to see if they could break it. So make sure you take more profits quicker. 26.75 trade made up again, about another, that was about 6 points or so, but we knew we were going to have this issue just like we had it over here again. And that made a little bit of money. That was a power play, again, death candle, S play, power play. Then we had an RS. We kind of had like a mix of different trades here today. The RS was a beautiful trade. We had an RS trade, and that was around 58.2450, 58.2475 on the 1018 candle. That trade went down to our target and made up to 60 plus ticks on that trade. That was a nice, beautiful trade. RS again came back up here, got long again. Told everybody that I was going to stay. We stayed a little bit. I had my target up here. Again, this thing was here the whole time I put it there once we got into the trade. That was another long at 1109, 58.2675. And my target was up there at, I said there's going to be a discussion around 58.39 to 58.40. And I had that circle there the whole time, 38.50 or so to 40. So that trade made from 26.75 to about 12, 13 points, and that was another 50 ticks or so. And that was a beautiful trade as well. And then in the ES we had a small trade. We had a power play short, made a point. Again, it was the same reasoning over here. We got into it like right here. After we had that trade had kind of procured, went back up, felt like we could have gotten into it in the S&P, should have called it in the NASDAQ as well anyway, but it's fine. Trade made a point or a break even for anybody who took half off and tried to hold, and that's what we have today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, 1 break even or a small winner. We're going to come back to, on the weekend on Monday and do it all over again. And until then, everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys back next week. Bye, traders.